Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna show you something really neat involving AI. So you can see my background now. It's a virtual background and everybody knows how to do this virtual background. You go to a Zoom meeting, you go to Google Meet, there are options for you to replace your background regardless how ugly looking it is in your back. But what if you want to remove the background and just capture the foreground with a existing video like this? Let's say like this one. Somebody is running, you just like the people running in the foreground, but you want to get rid of the beautiful beach in the back. How do you do this, right? So that's what we're going to talk about today. There's something called robust video mapping. If you type that in your Google browser, the very first link you see here is a GitHub window, and down here what it's saying is you can remove any background, just like this one. You see, and just like Elon Musk is talking in the background is there, and you can remove it once you have the video matte in a specific color. You can take this take this kind of video matted video to Premiere, Final Cut Pro, and replace the green color with whatever you want. So, long story short, you come down here, you come to the demo. It's a collab demo. It requires some coding, but pretty much is very bare minimum. Here you will come to a place called collab, and all these windows, as you can see, are clickable. They're playable, but let me run you through what you're gonna do. First, you're going to this place called Mount Drive. You come to this little folder thing, and then you have this Mount Drive, and it will tell you to click on this. This will allow you to mount your Google Drive into this collab. Into this collab instance, and once we mount this your Google Drive, this collab instance can access your Google Drive information. Why do we do that? Because when you upload your video, you can either upload your video to collab, or you can upload it to Google Drive directly. The advantage of uploading to Google Drive is once this collab window disappears, you close it, whatever you have generated will stay in your Google Drive. It won't be erased. If you don't mount your Google Drive, whatever you're doing after you close the window, they all disappear. So now we have mounted. You see this check mark, and now you can access your Google Drive. I have a lot of stuff here, but what I want you to see is I already have a video called runner.mp4, which is this one. Now you have it mounted. You can skip step option 1, option 2. You can go directly to start inferring. You click this one and you install something. Don't need to know what it is, just click clicking. And then next one is you click the next step. Bam. Again, you don't need to know what it is, but I can tell you what it is. It's loading the AI model and some library. Let it do its thing. Now at the end, when we come to this step, this code is called convert video. What it's saying is you want to convert your video. Tell me where the input source is, input video coming from, and how the output you want to look like. Okay, so I am going to come here, run the MP4, do a copy path, and paste it here, right? And then for the output, I also want to do this, but I just change it to final, okay? And that's all you need to do. And hit run. Now at this point, Colab will run this code and run your video through the AI model to remove the background. As you can see, it's running quite fast. Hopefully we can see soon, and it's assuming is to be about 1 minute left. All right, do we have our cake baked yet? Yeah, it just finished because of time. I skip a bunch of wait time for you. Now you can really love the effort that I put in here. And so basically we're done. And if you go to my Google Drive, which I just mounted, refresh, voila, you have two files. The first file runner.mp4 and the other one is runner final.mp4. That's the one that I just told it to save it to. Ready to try out, see how it looks like? Here we go. Look at that. This is nothing short of magic. You see the beautiful two people running to nowhere land in this boring green world. Anyway, there you have it. From this to totally matted video, right? Cool. I hope you like this video and try it out and see what you can come up with. It's a lot of fun, and you can brag about using artificial intelligence next time you make your own video. See you guys.